25 pa rin. Foul number 32. Unang free throw. Number 32, third personal foul. First team foul. Yes. Number 32. 30. Number 30. Number 10. Number 10. Naghahanap ng pamatang pinasakay number 21. Binigay-bigit na. Number 30. Hit ball. By Ray. Number 20, binigay kay number 25, tumira. Easy person, number 25. 25 seconds, number 21. Third. Thirty-three seconds. That's the shot, number 10, I think 3 points. Number 3, Rangers, binigay kay number 25. Pangalawang free throw.
Pasok.
Number 32. Nagdala na ng bola. Number 32. 5 seconds!
Ay!
28. And number 13. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 15. Shot. No. Makuha ni number 16. Number 16. 5. Wala. Nakuha ni number 32. Pass to number 14. Number 13. Number 14. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 13. 10 to shoot. Number 10. Pass to number 21. Number 21 there. Nakuha number 32. Foul basket. Foul number 14. Number 14 foul.
Walang ganun sa kanila? Walang lagi.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Diba?
Pass to number 23. Number 23. No. Out of foul. Red ball. Number 10 in the statue. Number 10. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Tatay. Tatay. No. Pakuha number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul. Second free foul. No. Yes. Score natin 40-55. Shot. Yes. Number 32. Number 21. 3-3. Number 21. 10 to shoot. Number 32. 5 to shoot. Number 10 shot. No. Nakuha number 32. Pass to number 21. Lay up the post. Pass to number 17. No. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 32. Number 32. Pass to number 21. Number 31. Foul. Foul number 4. Number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Sumagasa. Yes. 2 points for number 16. Number 31.
Maliligo ulit ako.
Tina. Pass. Then to shoot. Number 10. Foul. Foul left. Number 3. Number 21. Drive. Slow. Nakuha ni number 16. Pass to number 36. Number 36. Yes. 2 points. Number 36. Salasa. Always good. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pinali. Wala. Number 15. Number 6.